160 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ellsbury around 11:45 a.m. Whitehall, Carrollton, Woodhouse, and Harding around 11:50 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jerseyville, Greenfield, Athensville, Old Keene, Grafton, Kemper, Palmyra, Brighton, and Shipman. This also includes Marquette State Park and Beaver Dam State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 415, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Madison, Illinois,